Okay, this video is going to teach you how to register a domain name. Now, what a domain name is simply the name of your website. And to register a domain name, you need to go to a domain name registrar, which is a company that basically acts as the registration agent for your domains. We're going to use a company called v8domains.com. The reason is because v8domains.com is owned by the company that has done the web development for us and created your websites, and also the company that will be hosting and providing support for your websites. By registering your domain name through V8 Domains, you're not going to have to go in and make any changes to the settings or anything like that. They'll actually make sure that your website is integrated and all the good stuff. It's a very simple process. And I want to just make a mention, if you already have a domain name, we will be providing the domain name server settings that you'll need to change in order to point your domain to your new website. Okay, now for those who don't have a domain name, we're going to create a new account here at V8 Domains. So if you'll click on the link here or the link here, you'll be taken to the domain or to the account creation page. This is a user agreement. Read through it and click accept. Now here you're going to enter in all the information for your account, including down here your billing information. The reason they're capturing billing information is because we're going to be registering 5 domain names today. Why 5? Because the package that you were offered at the last event included 5 websites that capture and target different niches within the real estate investing methodology you were taught. This will give you a pretty diverse presence on the internet, so that regardless of what people are searching for, you have a likelihood of showing up in that search. So once you enter that information, it's going to prompt you to create a user ID and password for your new account. And then once you do that, you're going to hit the submit. Once you hit submit, you'll be taken to a victory page or a success page saying that your new account has been created. You'll also receive an email notification to the email address you entered above, and it will have your user ID and password in it. I would recommend you save that just in case you forget your user ID and password. You'll be able to refer back to the email. So next step is we are going to actually register the domain names. So let's do that now. Now you're going to be taken to the page where you're going to register a domain name. So first step right here is we're going to check a name. Now in your case, what you're going to do is you're going to repeat this process 5 times, once for each of the websites that will be implemented for you. I am going to check on the name Bagel Daigle, which is the name of my dog. Let's see if it's available. So you'll type it in and then you'll hit go. You don't have to, up here you didn't have to type .com in it because it automatically checks for that extension. So here we see that bageldaigle.com is available. So what I want to do now is I want to add this to the cart. Okay. Now in this case, what you could do, I'm going to check out. In this case, what you could do is you're going to repeat the process here. Check a name. So you'll enter your next name, and your next name, and your next name. And each time you'll hit add to cart. Now when you're ready to check out, you simply check on this button here. And then click on the purchase link. And then you'll be taken to a page showing that you have successfully registered the domain name, and you'll be good to go. The next step is we're going to have your websites loaded up, and then you'll be able to configure those websites.